In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cisco account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Cisco, and then here, the first website is going to be cisco.com. So you want to go ahead and click on their website. And then once you're on here, you want to go to the very top right where it says login. Of course, you can select your language before that, and then click on login. And because we're assuming you don't have an account yet, what you're going to have to do is over here, it should say create an account. If it doesn't say that, and if that's the only thing you can see, so if it says login, click on down here below where it says don't have an account, sign up. And then here you'll have to put in some of your information. So it's going to be the email first. I'm going to do it really quickly. There we go. And then you have to put in a password. So of course you can either select your own password, or of course you can choose the Google autofill in case that's something that's an option for you. And then you of course want to put in your first name like this. There we go. And then your last name. Of course, it should be real info for your account. And then here you have to select your country or region. So I'm just going to select a country or region. There we go. And then here you want to click on register. Now, after you do this, after a few seconds, there we go, you will receive a verification code to your email. So what you're going to have to do is you'll have to open up your email inbox, and then you will receive a code. Okay, so for me, I just received a code to my email over here. This is how it looks like. You can take a look at it. There we go. As you can see, it looks like this. Here, it's going to be a code. So you simply want to click on that code. You want to copy it or just write it somewhere, and you have to paste it in here, and then you can click on verify. Now, after you've done this, it's going to say signing in. And as you can see, after a few seconds of loading, you'll be able to see that your account has now been created, and then you can start by logging in. So click on login up top over here. And then once you do that, you should be logged in, or of course, if it prompts you to actually just log into your account, your credentials, then that's all you have to do. And then as you can see, I restarted the page. It says I am now signed in, and this is now my account. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.